Very good morning, my dear students. Today we are having first period in your class. Okay, so just because second chapter is your formula and function with the Excel MS Excel. ठीक है. So before to proceed about the functions and formulas in MS Excel, we have to know about that what is MS Excel. Actually, MS Excel is also known as a spreadsheet. With the help of which we can create any data, any information in an organized manner. Okay, so that's why we are using the spreadsheet, because to organize any data in a proper manner, and we can do a number of functions, a number of calculations also in MS Excel. Just like suppose that we want to calculate two numbers, and we can calculate there. If we want to calculate that add or subtraction or multiplication, division, whatever the functions, whatever the formulas, whatever the things we are having, we can solve it in the MS Excel. Okay, so with the help of video, we can I will just suggest you, I will guide you how to work on the MS Excel. Okay, so let's see on the system how to work on that. Okay, I will explain you with the help of monitor screen how to work on the system in MS Excel and how to operate on that. Okay, just wait for a moment. So first of all, how you will identify where it can be found. So MS Excel, if we will speak about the MS Excel, it is the part of MS Office. It is a part of MS Office, and in MS Office a number of applications are there, like MS Word, MS Excel, and PowerPoint presentation. A number of applications are there, but if we will speak about the MS Excel, so we can find it from the MS Office only. And just see there how we will find it. Just wait. Just see on the monitor screen how we will find the MS Excel. Let's see. Just press on the window button and go to the all program. Enter here and go to the MS Office, Microsoft Office. In just click here MS Excel, and just see here this window is open. Sorry, it is MS Access. We have to open in the MS Excel. Just go again in the MS Office. Excel is here. Okay, just you can see MS Excel is here, and if you see if you see it, you can see a number of tables are there, some horizontal and some vertical columns are there. It means the MS Excel is the intersection of row and columns. Some rows are there like this, some columns are there. So it means we can say MS Excel is a collection or intersection of row and columns, and a number of tables we can find in it. Okay, as I said we can calculate in the MS Excel. How we will calculate and how we will perform any calculation in the MS Excel, I will show you. Suppose that we are having some information like okay, I think it is visible for you. Okay, suppose that we are having any information like we purchase something, apple, we purchase some foods from the market, and what is the cost of that, we will just calculate that. What is the cost of those things, whatever we have purchased from the market. Just apple, Just first of all take the goods. Quantity, price, total amount. Okay, so some things we are having, like suppose that हमने लिया, इसको फ्रूट्स कर देते हैं हम, दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर अस, फ्रूट्स. तो हमने लिया क्या, एप्पल 1 kg. कितना गया, 1 kg. एंड इसका 1 kg का प्राइस क्या है, 100 रुपीज़. ओके, ठीक है. तो इसके बाद मैंने लिया क्या, ग्रेप्स we are having about 70 rupees per kg. सॉरी, ये भी 1 kg रहेगा ना. हाँ जी, kg. And oranges you can say 1 kg 70. ठीक है. अब we have to calculate the total amount. तो टोटल अमाउंट सपोज दैट वी कैन नॉट, टोटल अमाउंट यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे इसमें कि कैलकुलेशन करेंगे इसमें. इक्वल टू फॉर्मूला डाला हमने, या फिर इसको यहाँ पे करने के बजाय देखिए एक मिनट, इट विल बी हियर, दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर अस. अमाउंट, टोटल अमाउंट यहाँ कर दिया हमने. तो अब इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. फाइनली इक्वल टू, जस्ट क्लिक हियर, प्लस, फिर नेक्स्ट वन क्लिक हियर, प्लस, क्लिक हियर एंड जस्ट इंटर. ओके, टोटल हाउ मच we are getting here, 240. It means total amount whatever we have spent on that fruits, that is 240. So with the help of this we can add, like what's the formula we have here used, equal to C2, C3, C plus C4. इन तीनों को मैंने ऐड किया है, और एक्चुअली इट इज़ टेकिंग द एड्रेस ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर सेल विद दैट. ओके, एंड वॉट एवर द वैल्यू वी आर हैविंग इन दैट, सपोज दैट वी वांट टू चेंज द वैल्यूज, तो वी कैन गेट द डिफरेंट अमाउंट. सपोज दैट 140 वी हैव डन इट, 140, देन the value will be changed automatically here. It will be changed automatically. Okay, I think this is suppose that we have to